You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Ram 1500. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, tire pressure monitoring system. Relax and enjoy getting the job done right in the strong and dependable Ram 1500. Come in for a test drive.